Hi there. Thank you for your time to look into S1. At Script, we are extremely focused on bringing AI to every desk in every office in the world. So we are beginning with our own model, and which can interact with multiple other models as well on request to analyze data at scale. Currently, office stuff like receipts processing or invoice processing or any other scan document processing is currently being done manually in most of the cases, right? So this is where we come in, where we put AI at scale. And when I talk about scale, we are talking about hundreds and thousands of documents that can be processed per day with accuracies that can be achieved only through AI. So in this demo, I'm going to show you two things. One is I'm going to show you a sample scanned bunch of invoices that can be processed. And number two is that I'm also going to show you a handwritten document which is quite illegible even for us to read, and how our AI performs in analyzing that as well. And number three, I'm going to upload the same document and then show you how multi-row processing happens with one single document upload. Always remember that what you're seeing here is a UI prototype that we have built to showcase the abilities of Scripts S1 model. And this can be extended to any extent and scale using our APIs. So you can put data in through API, you can get the data out through API. We extensively focus on building the model and making sure the vision analysis is as accurate as a human can do. Let's dive into it. We have workspaces. Workspaces is where we define a purpose or a boundary box for each and every activity that we're going to do. So this particular workspace, I'm choosing to say that it's scanned invoices. And this is actually a slight instruction and a nudge to our model, which we are saying that, hey, I'm going to give you some scanned documents, and you are going to analyze it and get me the data out of it with as accurate prediction as possible. So let's just leave it a single row file. Now, once this is created, all I have to do is just simply go ahead and upload the documents. So let me just pull in some documents. I have already selected some, and upon request, you can just try it out hands-on on your own as well. So as I upload this document, what is happening at the back, as you can see, is it is already processing these documents, right? So now I'm just going to take a sample over here and seeing what is actually mentioned here. So it is quite hard to read as well. So let's just look at some of the document which might be easy. Okay, so it seems that it's quite hard to read. So let's say one invoice should typically have the invoice value, which could be the total value of the invoice. Okay, this is an instruction. Extract the total value mentioned in the invoice. If you are not able to read it properly, then say nil. Yeah, so let's try this. So what happens here is that it immediately jumps into action and then gets the data for us. And as you can see, it is extremely good at getting the document values out of it. And if you actually closely look at it, there is somewhere the 8,000 value that is mentioned over here, right? So this is the accuracy at which we are able to operate in this particular use case. Yeah, it's over here, right? So these kind of documents which are dotted is actually wantedly prepared for testing the AI and then making it so hard for it to read. You will see such kind of use cases being mentioned and being used in some of the YouTube videos as well, where if they want to circumvent the copyright issues, then they put some of these dots in their videos to make things happen. Now, as you can see, it is super fast and super efficient as well. You can go on to customize this prompt, and you can actually tell it and talk to it like the way you will actually talk to a knowledge worker. Now, what happens here is that this configuration has to be done only once. You don't have to do it all over again when you want to process more invoices every month. So just drop it in and you get all of the things done automatically, just like the same way that we saw now. And you can create unlimited rows and columns, and it's just up to you to play with it. Now, there is one more interesting thing that is not available in the UI, but is available as an API, is called the workflows. So in workflows, as it says, you can obviously say something like, if the value is above 98.5 euros, then trigger a particular workflow, email the customer or something like that. So this opens up a world of possibilities where you can connect different applications like Salesforce and process the invoices from there, put it on S1. It gives you the data that you need, and you can take that and put it into SAP, ERP. That's the workflow that we actually help you define as well. Now, the second use case that I already spoke about is the ability to scan handwritten documents. So let's say handwritten receipts, right? So I process the receipts that are handwritten and extract the data from it. Right? We're gonna. You might have noticed in creating the workspaces screen earlier as well. Like, what is this primary field type? The primary field type is something that we have given you as an option, where you can choose to base the entire workspace on one particular field type. So it can be, right now, since we are going to be uploading files, we are choosing it as files. You can also choose it as base text. Like, for example, you can have stock values, or you can have dynamic data coming in from your ERP systems, and then the primary column would be that value, and depending on that, you calculate the other things. And you can even do URLs. Like, for example, every day you want to see where some of the shipments are going. You can just enter the list of URLs where these shipments can be tracked, and the worker or the tooling agent that we have built goes and does the job for you. Some cases it can actually crack the CAPTCHA as well. That's subjective though. So now let me leave it at file, and I'm going to create another workspace. And now let's actually upload some of the handwritten documents that were shared. So this is the document that we're going to be playing around with. So we have number, name, service number, and job title, right? And in the next update, we are also bringing in something called citations, where you'll be able to extract a particular area of the document and keep it separately. Like, if you want the signature alone from the document to be extracted, and that can be done as well and stored as an image. So let's just drag it and drop it, and we're going to upload it now. Now, what happens here is that our complex model goes through a 6-step process to understand each and every document that is being uploaded. Now, after it says processing, then we know that that processing is completely done. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to need the AI or S1 to tell what is the name, service number, and job title, right? So let's just create a column. Let's say name, extract the name of the person from the document I have uploaded. Yeah, let's just give it a simple prompt. Let's see what it does. So as you can see, it gets to work immediately, and the AI's processing is incredibly fast. Like, what you saw here is a super simple thing, but at the back, it just goes through multiple layers of filtering and open vision models and our own models as well, which can actually predict what is being written there. So as you can see, it has extracted what has been handwritten. Now let's just go for the service number as well. Service number, extract the service number from the document. You see how the prompt is so simple, and it is starting to understand what you're actually expecting from it. So that is where S1 shines, right? So imagine if a manual, if this particular data extraction has to be done manually. Some people are good at reading a particular language, and some people are not, and it's not their. We believe that it shouldn't be their job to do it. I think AI can replace it now. We are at one of the best times in the industry to go through this with AI. Now, as you can see, you can just play around with any type of handwritten documents, and it is just going to process it and analyze it without breaking a sweat. Now, there is also a multi-row processing that we have already worked on. So as you can see, we saw the document which had multiple rows over here, right? So what happens in those cases? I want the extraction to be happening for each row, each cell of this. And since we already have this feature, so this particular documents extraction has already happened over here. So this is a test workspace that we have been playing around with, but this is the entire overview of how the multi-row extraction happens as well. And the best part about it is that everything happens in an instant. Like there is nothing that you can't do that's going to take a lot of time, and the accuracy is incredible. And the best part is that you can just do things like this as well, where you can just give it a URL and then say, hey, you know what, fetch the pricing. I need the pricing to be compared, and just tell me what is the comparison between this particular thing and this particular site, right? So this is going to help you a lot, and you can even track stock prices, live stock prices over here. That is also something that you can do. Now, one cool feature that I would like to highlight here is that sometimes AI does mistakes, just like humans. So in those cases, you can just double click on it and correct it. And what happens behind the scenes is that it learns from your corrections. It will start to understand, okay, this particular user is actually saying that this is the correct version of the extracted data, and I'm going to be having that in memory so that next time I can actually do it. And beyond this, there are multiple layers of ease of use that is going on over here. You can create multiple templates that can be shared within your company, so that every time you create a workspace, you just choose a template and just gets the job done. And we are also getting document chat, which is very, very helpful for construction companies and logistic companies to just drop a document and then chat with it and extract the data out of it as well in an instant, and then export it to any document that they want. Also, there is an automation that you can do. So say, for example, you are actually getting a lot of documents in email, right? All you have to do is just set up auto forwarding to this particular email address that you will get for each and every workspace, and boom, you see the documents over here updating live. And the best part is that every single team member in your company can actually collaborate in one particular workspace. This makes it super easy for customers to interact and be on the same page as well. And you can build, you can push this data to BI tools, which can help you analyze the data as well. So this is the high-level overview of what S1 can do today. And there are so many things that we are working on which are really cool, and I really believe that's going to help you as well. So I really can't wait to see you use S1 and give us the feedback. And before I leave, there is one last thing. Many of the AI tools today can't take documents more than 200 MB, right? So 200 MB is the top line document that they can actually consume. But we are actually experimenting with one of the customers where they can actually do up to 700 MB. And 200 MB is something that is minimum size that we can actually guarantee to work as well. So enjoy using S1, and if there is any feedback that you think we need to listen to, please share it with us. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.